even if they don't have to going forward.
Julie and I are going to be doing a U.S. tour of sorts, and starting in July, right?
Yes.
And we're going to be going around for July and August. We're going to be driving around. We don't know how much of the United States. And we're going to be visiting a lot of our coaching clients, a lot of the folks in our EXP groups. We're going to be documenting through a vlog, right? And we're going to be doing our podcast on the road. We're going to be talking about the real estate markets we're going to. We're going to be posting lots of Instagram pictures. So we're going to be doing all that. We're going to explore what's really going on in the world of all your micro markets. We're going to go there. We're going to see what's going on. We're going to take pictures. We're going to then report from the road. So that's something we're really, really looking forward to, and that's starting in January.
July.
Did I say January?
You did. That's right. Okay, so people like to throw around inflation and appreciation as if it's the same thing, and it actually is not. So I wanted to start with definitions. This is important to all of you guys who are real estate professionals because there is a difference. So might want to take notes at this point. Warning, definitions. What is inflation? Inflation is a general increase in prices and fall in the purchasing value of money. I'm giving you the simple version, then I'm going to elaborate.
Listeners, make sure you listen to what Julie's saying. I had her explain this to me. I knew what the difference was, but I wanted to make sure she could explain it in such a non-wonkish way that even the person who's never heard of these words before would understand. And she has actually woven together something brilliant. So make sure you're paying attention, because this is the conversation. This very topic is going to be the thing that will separate the wheat from the chaff in the upcoming months as homeowners start asking you about this very question.
And they will. Look at the search results, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So what is inflation? It's a general increase in prices and fall in the purchasing value of money. What is appreciation? Increase in monetary value. Now, that all sounds like kind of the same definition to me, so I took it a little bit further here. Appreciation is when, quote, intrinsic value of something, like a house, increases. This is not the same as price or cost. We're talking about actual value, as in something grows more valuable. So you might write in your notes, appreciation equals something becomes more valuable. So what are some examples of that? How does something actually gain value or appreciate? So instead of using appreciation and inflation interchangeably, start using appreciation and value interchangeably to help you remember. So how does something actually gain value or appreciate? Well, increased demand, not enough supply. Additional value is discovered on your property. Could be oil, for example, developed road frontage, adding utilities where there weren't any before. Maybe you replaced your windows and they're not falling out anymore.